Hello YouTube, today I would like to review the hood deflector which I purchased from Ventshade, AVS Ventshade. If you have a 4Runner and if you are actually planning to buy a hood deflector, I strongly recommend this one because I was using it for last 1.5 years before I created this video. I just want to make sure it is working, it is doing its job, and it is strong enough. So after 1.5 years I am actually giving you a review, and I have the videos from the past which I took. So I'm sharing that. I purchased from AVS. It is an amazing product. If you are thinking about a Ventshade, this might be a good one. It is a dark smoke hood shield for 2010 to 2020 Toyota 4Runner. Works for 2021 as well because there is no change basically. And the price was good. The quality was really good. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so, and I will really appreciate that. Thank you so much. Today I would like to actually show you how to install the hood deflector, and then we can actually go from there. The reason, here is a vehicle without a hood deflector. As you can see, the wind is actually passing through and hitting the windshield. So all the debris and all the bugs and everything is going to come and hit directly on that windshield, which is not an ideal thing if you are going for a long trip or anything. Or there is a, you can imagine, you might have seen this. It actually right on your eyes if all the bugs actually dead on your windshield. So this might be the reason actually they invented it, and it actually working really well as well. I can see a significant difference because 4Runner, the windshield is almost standing up straight, right? Here is actually, as you can see in the bottom part in the arrow, that hood deflector end is pointing upwards. That means the air will be actually pushed upwards. It's not going directly to the windshield, it is pushed upwards. All the arrows actually I just tried to give a idea how it actually works. So that's how the air comes, hit it, and on the bend it actually goes up. It does not come directly to the hood deflector. If you have any big rocks or anything, or that won't work with the hood deflector, but small dust and actually all the small bugs and everything, it works perfectly. What it will do, it will push that bug up and above the vehicle. So here is my is my 5th gen 4Runner. I have made a lot of changes. It does not look like this now. If you see my other videos, you can actually see that I changed the tires and everything, whatever. So much work actually done on that. So this is how I installed the hood deflector. Take a look. It is, I kept it very in a easy way that you can actually understand that. Here I am actually unboxing or actually opening up that hood deflector, and kindly watch on. It is self-describing video, so you'll be able to figure it out, and in between I will actually share my thoughts as well. Enjoy the music too. Packet, then it was bubble wrapped. It was a perfect one. This is me trying to figure it out what's actually coming with all those things. You can see those screws and those clip ones. It came with a very detailed instruction set. It will actually clearly tell you what you need to do and how you can actually get it done. With help of this video and the instruction set, you can easily install the hood deflector by yourself. You don't need to take it to any garage or anywhere else. It's a easy job. I haven't cut short the video at all. I just want you to see how long actually it will take for you to install it, and it took less than 10 minutes or 10-12 minutes. That's pretty much it. Just take a look. It's a very sturdy piece. It wasn't flimsy or anything like that. It was very sturdy. The only thing after 1.5 years, what I saw that there was a AVS sticker on the side. It actually flew off when I was on the highway. And highway there wasn't any road noise or anything of that sort. Does it actually hit your mileage? I don't think so. Might be 1% or 2%. I'm okay with that. I hate bugs on my windshield when I'm actually going for a overlanding trip or anything of that sort. First of all, you need to make sure it is clean where you are planning to install that one. So take a rag and actually clean it properly. Once you clean it, you just test fit it. Just put it on top of the hood and see how it actually looks like. That will give you an idea how these screws and the clips and everything goes. Don't close it. Do not close the hood. You just put a test fit it. And it is very easy. As you can see, I haven't put any screws or nothing. I'm just trying to do a test fit on that. It is from AVS. And they actually sent something else too. That's the one actually it flew off. But that's just a logo. I don't care. I have been through minus 25 degrees Celsius, through snows, wind, real rainfall and everything. It actually held up very good. As you can see those holes there. It was meant for that purpose. The 4Runner has that. So you can just reuse those holes just to put this hood deflector. First of all, you actually put that small stuff. I don't know what's the name. If you know the name, just share in the comment. They actually gave about how many you want. I think they gave more than what you need. So first of all, you actually push that stuff into that holes. Not every hole. It's very easy. Don't be afraid to actually do it. If I can do it, definitely you can also do it. They told which all ones you need to actually put it. Okay, it's not like that you have to put that stuff in every hole. No, they clearly mentioned how many of you need and which all holes that thing should be put into. Then you actually take the screw, and there is a washer which is a plastic washer. Prepare all your screws and the washer and tuck that one in and be ready. The instruction set was really good. Most of the time, whenever you buy a stuff for a vehicle, I have seen the instruction was very vague, but from AVS, those are good companies, so for sure they did their their work very well. So first you did pushed up all those washers or whatever that things inside. Then now you are going to align the holes in the hood deflector with those things which you actually pushed in. Let's call it push pin or whatever it is. Once it is there, take one or two screws and try to do a test fit. Never ever try to close the hood before you 100% make sure it is not actually it is actually properly fitted. If you do that, either you're going to damage your hood or you are actually going to damage the hood deflector itself. So do the test fit, and chances for this one, it is very low. I have seen actually people breaking hood deflectors while they are installing, but with this one, since it's a very good company, they took all the precautions not to happen that. It's very easy. Just that's pretty much it, and it holds up very well too. It is very strong. As I mentioned, I just want to wait 1 or 1.5 years just to give this review because I don't want to actually suggest something to my subscribers if it is not a good product. Make sure you tight it properly. Don't over tight it, just enough. Just hand tight it. Do not over tight it. On the sides it's 2 screws, on the front it is 2 screws on the both ends, and on the other side as well 2, so altogether 6. Here is what you need to actually adjust. This is the hood stopper, right? So you need to adjust your hood stopper, because now you have the hood deflector. You need a little bit of space before closing, for hood to close properly. So do not push it down, just do a little bit of, just check it if it is actually closing it properly or not. The hood has to rest on those 2 bushes, so you lift that bush, untighten it, unscrew it, so it will come a little bit up. It's very easy. Make sure not to take that one out, but just unscrew it. If it is not closing, don't try to push the hood down. Just make sure that this is done properly. See, here now it is actually done, and everything is fit perfectly. There is no issues at all, and it looks great. No more bugs. So I think this is a well spent $75. I have drove across Canada, across US on this vehicle, but the bugs were actually literally very less. This is the sticker which I told. That's the only thing actually flew off on highway. Rest everything was very good, very good. It was actually fits perfectly. It has adequate spacing on the hood, so there is no way it's going to damage your paint or anything as such. There is no drilling required, nothing, absolutely nothing. As you can see, there is ample spacing there, so nothing is hitting your hood and actually taking off your paint. If I just take that hood deflector away, it will be just fine. No paint gone. Here looks good, and it actually works great as well. It is a black color, don't get me wrong. The sun is directly falling on it. That's why you are seeing it a little bit of different color, but when you see that actually in person without camera, it is actually black in color, and I absolutely love that one. Hey, if you haven't actually changed your tires and rims, just check out my other videos. I have completely changed. I put fuel wheels and BFG KO2 and all those things that you will enjoy. And here is how it actually looks like it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope now you know how to actually install a hood deflector by yourself. So once again, if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe, and enjoy your 4Runner or any other work you have. Have a good day. Take care. God bless. Bye bye.